So today we are going to whip up a glow mask, as I call it, with ingredients you can easily find in your kitchen, at your local grocery store, or online health food marketplaces. So let's get to it. First, I'm gonna dive into the benefits of this mask and why I'm making this right now. My skin just needs a little bit of a detox and a little bit of a nutrient boost. You know when your skin just needs some life and you just need some time to just chill and have some self-care. So what this mask is really great for and why I love it so much is it really targets everything. So it's super nice because each ingredient that I've chosen that I'll go through in 1 minute basically helps with aging, it helps with inflammation, so think like acne, think eczema, psoriasis. I just had a acne breakout, so I need something to help with inflammation and redness and just to help clean up my skin, do a little detox so this breakout can go bye-bye. We don't need any more of those. So that will help with that. And then also just really give your skin a nice plump, nourished glow, which we all want, to help with all these ingredients contain so many nutrients and vitamins and minerals that will just bring life to your skin again. So let's dive into it. So the ingredients that I'm using, I am going to be doing organic matcha powder, bentonite clay, yogurt, and kefir. So you can either use one or the other, optional or both, totally up to you. I'm using Blue Majik, which this is basically blue-green algae, organic spirulina. So you could just use spirulina. You don't have to use it. I just love this ingredient because it's so anti-inflammatory and full of so many minerals and nutrients. I am using royal jelly. This is just the freezable jelly that I'm using there. And then pearl powder and serum by Shelby Naturals. And if you guys don't have the serum, you should definitely go get it. No, but if you don't have it, and if it's on your wish list, you could use some essential oils or a couple carrier oils, which I will talk about in a minute. So I just have a little bowl, my little spoon, and I'm gonna whip up this mask. Oh, and I also have some lemon. So we're gonna use about like a quarter of a lemon, just do a little squeeze in there, and we're good to go. Okay, so let's mix everything up. So I love to start with the yogurt and the kefir first. So all I do is I just get a little spoon and I put a little bit of yogurt. So I would say about a half a teaspoon of yogurt. So you guys can just put that in your little bowl. And then I'm gonna do a tiny bit of kefir. So the difference between yogurt and kefir is fermented longer, so it is more liquidy than yogurt and it has a lot more good bacteria. So I believe it depends on the brand of kefir you buy, but like for example, yogurt's like preserving like 1 million good bacteria strains, and this is like 1 billion or 2 billion. So it really has a considerably lot more good bacteria, so that's why I love to use it. And the reason that's good is your skin has so much good bacteria on it, and it helps to strengthen your skin, helps with like sensitivity, acne, aging, everything really. Protects your skin from, and basically strengthens your immune system because your skin is part of your immune system. So it's so amazing. So I just did about a quarter teaspoon in there of the kefir, just kind of poured it in. And then we're gonna add the other ingredients. So I'm gonna add in the matcha. Again, I do just little amounts of each ingredient because I'm really making only one mask. Now this should make about 1 to 2 masks. So just so you guys know, so you can do it with a friend or with a family member. So I'm gonna do about a quarter teaspoon again of matcha. And again, I'm just gonna eyeball it. So I'm gonna add that in there. Maybe a little more, because that looks less. About a quarter teaspoon of matcha, and I'm gonna really do that for each ingredient. So I'm gonna do the same for the bentonite clay. I love bentonite clay and I love matcha because they're so rich. Well, matcha is really rich in antioxidants and minerals, and bentonite clay is an amazing purifier. So it's great for like purifying out your pores, for blackheads, acne. I'm gonna grab a spoon because I totally forgot to grab more spoons and take a drink of water. My lemon chia water, but the worst is when you get a lemon seed stuck in your straw. Okay, we're gonna add in the bentonite. So yeah, again, like a quarter, half a teaspoon in there. And you can also take bentonite clay internally too. It's really an amazing, amazing supplement. This is the Blue Majik, which is basically spirulina, but this is a part of it. So it's really, really blue. This is actually what people put in their smoothies to get that like really bright blue color. So I'm gonna do again, 1/4 teaspoon of that. Just throw that in there. And spirulina has so many amazing benefits for the skin. It is really great because spirulina can be grown in a more controlled environment. So it really prevents like the amount of radiation that is exposed to from the ocean, like heavy metals. So I love spirulina's amazing content. First of all, it's an amazing detoxifier. It's rich in vitamin A, vitamin C, and it is just so amazing for the skin. This is royal jelly, so I was getting this out. I get it frozen, so it's pretty much like frozen solid. I just thaw it out for a few minutes, but I'm gonna do a 1/4 teaspoon of that as well. Royal jelly is so amazing for the skin. It is the queen's food, the queen bee's food for a reason. It's very great for getting your glow on and plumping the skin. And then I'm going to be adding in pearl powder. So it's just, this is a recent supplement that I purchased and I've been loving it lately. I put it in my iced coffee. You guys saw my last video about the iced coffee. I love using it because it's rich in minerals. Again, I'm just gonna put, whoa, that was like 1/2 teaspoon, but I would do a 1/4 teaspoon. I want to be like, this was expensive, so I'm trying to keep it, you know, try not to use so much of it. And then the serum, I'm gonna add in probably like 3 drops. And the serum is rich and it has essential oils and it has Moroccan argan oil, amla oil, marula oil, just so rich in vitamins. There's neroli, myrrh, bergamot, so rich in vitamin C, so really great for strengthening collagen and brightening the skin. So I'm gonna add that in there. And then I'm gonna add a little bit of the OG lemon itself, because lemon, apparently, I did not know this until recently when I did the master cleanse where all you drink is like lemonade. So lemon juice, cayenne pepper, and maple syrup for like 10 days. But I did it, by the way. I succeeded. Go watch my other video. It is a great cleanse for helping with the skin and with just your whole body balance. There's the lemon seed. But I didn't know this. Lemon is one of the most antioxidant rich foods, lemon and lime. So definitely want that in there. Okay guys, so this is the consistency now. I'm gonna come over and show you what's going on. We have all the ingredients and I'm just gonna mix it together like so. So we get like a really nice paste for our face. And then I'm gonna go in the bathroom and wash my face and put it on. So I'll take you guys in with me. Okay, so now that I'm in the bathroom, I'm ready to cleanse my face. So I'm using the oil cleanser by Shelby Naturals, you guys can see. And I'm gonna start with probably like 3 pumps. So I'll show you here. Just rub it together in my hands and I put it on dry skin. So I never put it on skin that is wet, so the oil can really go deep into the pores and clean really nicely. So I just give it like circular motions like this, like a bit of a massage to help stimulate the lymphatic system too. So to help flush any toxins out of the skin, and then which in turn really helps with puffiness. So I'll just do that. Just do a bit of that. So I'm going to be using my microfiber towel. So all I do is I put the water on hot and I heat that up for a minute until it's hot. I run this under and then I wring it out and I wait about a second or 2 until this gets warm. And then I put it over my face and it's really nice. So it's a bit of a steam. If you guys want to do more of this than just this type of steam before your facial, or your mask, I should say, which is really beneficial, I would recommend boiling some water and getting some essential oils or some herbal tea that's really has great ingredients like ashwagandha or rose petals. And I would just put that together in the bowl. So pour the boiling water in a pretty medium-sized bowl. Put, you know, like 5 or 6 drops of essential oils. I like geranium, rosemary, verbenone, lavender. I'll do the top half and then the bottom half and give it a nice steam. Just really put it in around your nose too if you have blackheads around your nose. Yeah, like I was saying, you can just pour the boiling water in, some herbal tea or like some rose petals or something, dried rose petals, some essential oils, and steam your face over the bowl for about 8 minutes. and then you put your mask on after that, and that will be really nice. So yeah, I'm just gonna use this to take off my makeup. This is actually a mosquito bite. But yeah, I broke it a bit around my chin. This is usually where it goes, around my upper cheeks. So this mask will be really nice for that. But as you guys can see, I have some like bronzer on. The cloth really gets it off your skin. And then I do have some mascara on, but I'm gonna leave it on for now. Usually what I do is I just use like one pump of the cleanser and just kind of like bring it down, and then use a cotton pad, like the little cotton, you guys know what I'm talking about, the little cotton pad, and I just wipe it right off. And then when you're done with your cloth and it looks like really gross, like dirty with your makeup on, or like any dirt that it picks up, all you need to use is like a bit of hand soap, and you can just wash it under the water and all this will come out. So the mask is looking good. See it here, it's a really nice consistency. So I'm just gonna put it right on my face. And that is it. Another cool tip too, if you guys have like a lot of puffiness like under your eyes or on your face, is you can put this in the fridge. I mean, the yogurt, it's already pretty cold from the yogurt, and like I had my royal jelly in the freezer. But if you put it in the fridge, it just cools it down a bit and then helps with puffiness, and it's really refreshing too now that it's summer to put it on like that. And it actually smells really good. It smells a bit like yogurt and the serum. And yeah, that's it guys. So it looks like this is gonna make about 2 masks for me. I like to do it a bit thicker. Just give it a nice, just gonna check myself in the mirror to make sure I'm doing this right. Pretty simple. And you can bring it down to your neck too, which obviously has benefits as well. And then once you're done putting the mask on, I would leave it on for about, you know, 15-20 minutes. A little bit longer is okay too, because it doesn't really have any like overly stripping ingredients. And that's it guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and hit subscribe to join in, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.